Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you top 3 prompts to get the best from ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. Prompt number 1, comparative analysis. This prompt is perfect for making decisions, choosing between options, or understanding the nuances of two or more similar subjects. It provides a clear breakdown that helps you compare and evaluate effectively. This prompt should be like this. I'm giving you an example of this prompt. Like, can you compare Apple's iOS or Google's Android? Then you can add some more lines like highlight their key difference, pros, cons, and best use cases for different user types. Here is your answer. You can see it clearly. Now, prompt number 2, generating creative content or solution. This prompt encourages ChatGPT to generate creative content based on specific criteria, ensuring that the ideas are tailored to your needs. It's great for brainstorming, content creation, or finding innovative solutions. Your prompt should be started with I need some. I'm giving you some example like I need some creative suggestions for blog post topics about mental health for young adults. You can add some more like the post should be informative and help reduce stigma. Can you give me 3 unique ideas? You will get your results. Prompt number 3, clarifying and explaining ideas. This prompt allows you to gain a true understanding of a topic by having it explained in a way that is easy to digest, followed by related examples to give you a fuller picture. Great for learning new concepts or diving deeper into an idea. This prompt should be started with, can you help me? I'm giving you an example like, can you help me explain on the ideas of sustainability in business? You can add some more like, explain it in simple terms, then break it down into smaller related concepts like eco-friendly practice, supply chain, sustainability, and corporate social responsibility. You will get your answer. So this is the top 3 prompts to get the best from ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.